Hello everybody, it's Chris from the Gunpla Network, and it's time for your Gunpla Network news for July 23rd, 2018. First off, we have an SDCS 00 Diver Ace. This will be released October 2018 for a price of 1,000 yen. Next up, we have the Gunpla Happy Yellow. This will be released July 2018 with a price of 425 yen. And we have another Gunpla ball. This one doesn't have a release date and we don't have a price. Next up we have an SDCS Zaku 2, and it is released July 2018 with a price of 864 yen. Next, we have an Bd Rx0 Maru. This will be released August 2018 with a price of 1944 yen. Next up, we have a Figure Rise Diver Nami. This will be released September of 2018 with a price of 2592 yen. And then we have a HGBD 1144 Love Phantom. This will be released October 2018 for a price of 2376 yen. Then we have the HGUC 1144 Sinanju Stein narrative version. This will be released fall of 2018, and we don't have a price as of yet. Next, we have the HGUC 1144 Phoenix NT version gold. We don't have a release date, and we do not have a price for this one yet. Next, we have the high-res 1100 Astray red frame. This does not have a release date or a price as of yet. Next, we have the P. Bandai SG Legend BB Victory Daishogun. This will be released September of 2018 with a price of 4860 yen. Next, we have the P. Bandai HGAC 1144 Leo Space Type. This will be released October of 2018, hint hint, that's when my birthday is, with a list price of $15.12. Next, we have a P. Bandai RG1144 Telgeese EW Titanium Finish. This will be released October of 2018 with a price of 6696 yen. Next, we have a P. Bandai RG1144 Wing Zero EW and Dries Werg. I hope I said that right. This will come out October of 2018 with a price of 71.28 yen. And finally, we have the P Bd RE1100 Base Jabber Type 89. This will be released October of 2018 with a price of 3240 yen. Alright, it's time for the top 5 builds for July 23rd of 2018. In 5th place, we have Jason Mitchell and his 1144 Quinn Mantha. In 4th place, we have Sing Chui and his Barbatos Lupus Devil type. In 3rd place, we have Rodolfo Rupoli and his Graze Walker. And in 2nd place, we have Gary Chan and his Dom Cannon Custom. And in 1st place, we have James Denise and his Operation Falling Dagger. And now it's time for your Gunpla Network updates. On gunplanetwork.com, we have the GBWC Australia 2018 Open Course B winners listed. On our Gunpla Network YouTube channel, Gunpla Network Australia takes a first look at the P Bd RG1144 Exia Trans Am. Mark Kirk gives us a review of the P Bd RG1144 Exia Trans Am Gloss Injection. We have a Gunpla Insider video with Lance Wen. Scott Tiller talks with Lance Wen about GBWC Australia Champion 2016, and RoboCity owner about his love of Gunpla and other mechas. We have a Gunpla Insider video with Scott. He visits the GBWC Australia 2018. We have a GN on the road video. Mark Kirk shows us around the GBWC Australia 2018. And finally, on YouTube, we have the MG1100 Wing Gundam EU version done by Gunpla Network New York. That's it for your Gunpla Network news for July 23rd, 2018. Please like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube videos. And as always, keep building!